So welcome to this channel. Since I am using Ejiro Glow to teach and also grow and show you that it's possible to get monetized within a few months or days or hours and get a lot of subscribers, I'm going to be using my channel to show you and teach you everything you need to know, because a lot of people have been asking me same question over and over in my community. Please, what is this my channel name? There are a lot of things that a lot of people don't really know, so I'm going to be putting you through about your studio so that you know where you are in the race or in the line for monetization. So just watch, and the part is going to be in 4 parts or 5 parts. I've forgotten how many parts is separated. I know we have the dashboard, the content, the analytic review overall, and that's the last part. So I'm going to be breaking them one after the other. So let's start with the first one, which is the dashboard. So just watch and follow, and don't forget to subscribe and put your comment. If I have blessed your life, please comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Okay guys, so this is the YouTube Studio app, and the first page you are seeing is called the dashboard. This is basically the home page of the app where you can quickly see everything happening on your channel. At the top you will see your channel name and your profile picture. This shows the account you're currently managing. Now moving down, the section here is the analytic overview. This is where YouTube shows you a quick summary of your channel performance, like your views, watch time, subscribers, and how your channel is doing overall. Below that, you will usually see your latest videos performance. Here, this helps creators monitor how their newest upload is performing, including views, like, comments, and sometimes how the video is ranked compared to previous upload. Next, we have the recent comment section. This is where creators can see and read and also reply to comments from viewers without opening the full YouTube app. At the top area, there's also a notification bell. There is where YouTube sends updates, important alerts, copyright notice, or channel information. At the bottom of the app, you will see a navigation bar. This helps creators move from different sections: the dashboard, the content, the analytics, and the comments. So basically, the dashboard is like the control center of the YouTube Studio app, because it gives creators a quick overview of everything happening in their channel. And also the plus sign at the top is for quick upload. You can also upload in your studio. The watch time and the views is for 28 days. It's for both shorts and long videos. So take note of that, and see you in my next video for the part 2, where we talk about the next step, that's the content. I'll make sure the videos are short so that you understand. The next one is the content, then we'll go for the analytics, then we go for the end. I'll explain it one after the other. See you in my next video.